So I've just discovered what I think is the easiest side hustle that anyone can do to very quickly start earning an extra $1,000 to $2,000 every single month as a complete beginner to make money online using Chatgpt. And I'm actually shocked by how easy this is, so without any delay, let's get started to the video. Now, there are a couple of tools that we are going to be using with Chatgpt to make money online with this strategy. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money with Chatgpt. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So for the first step, you want to head over to bard.google.com, which is an AI chatbot very similar to Chatgpt. The reason that we are using Google Bard at this step, it is because Google Bard is very updated to what's currently happening on the internet. So we need the latest information that we are going to be using in this strategy. That's why we are using Google Bard in this step. So I'm just gonna go ahead and ask Google Bard, give me a list of the 10 current best-selling and most popular books. And the reason that we're asking for this is the way that we are going to be making our money with this strategy is we're going to be giving an endless amount of these books for free without spending any penny on one of them. And we're going to get paid for it. Now, I know this might sound too good to be true. How are we going to get paid for giving away free books that we don't even need to buy for ourselves? Guys, stick with me. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So before you hit on enter, you want to make sure that these 10 best-selling and most popular books are available on audible.com. And if you haven't heard of Audible, it is an audiobook company owned by Amazon which sells a wide range of different books in audio format. A lot of people actually prefer listening to books rather than reading them. I'm actually one of those people. So you want to head over to Google Bard and you want to make sure that these top 10 best-selling and most popular books are available in audible.com. And again, Google Bard chatbot has the capacity to know that all. So you just want to go ahead and type, give me a list of the current 10 best-selling and most popular books that are available on Audible. You then want to go ahead and hit on enter, then Google chatbot will give us 10 of the most popular and best-selling books that are in high demand and available on Amazon.com. Like I mentioned, these books are going to be given away for free, and for every single person that claims their book for free, we're going to get paid. And because these books are so popular and bestsellers, we know that a lot of people are currently willing to spend money on these books to purchase them or to read them later. So it's safe to assume they'd also be more than happy to receive these books absolutely for free. Let me show you exactly how we're going to be making money with this. So if I actually go ahead and browse through these books right here, I can go ahead and see that it costs $0. And the only thing that they need to do here is to go ahead and sign up to this free trial, and they will go ahead and get to avail these free books. So what you can see guys is that anyone who signs up to their Audible on their free trial doesn't need to spend anything whatsoever and they get a free book. Alternatively, if I go on over to audible.com rather than Amazon, you can see it exactly says the same thing, as well as get your audiobook for free. So this is undeniably a great deal. If you sign up to Audible for free, you also get a free audiobook. But an even better deal for us is that anybody who signs up to their Audible for their free trial via our affiliate link, which I will be going to show you where to get, gets paid $5 for every single person who signs up to an Audible free trial. They don't need to spend any penny, and all we need to do is to tell as many people as possible if they sign up to absolutely for free via their free trial, they can also get a free audiobook. So what is the best way to generate the maximum amount of signups so we can go ahead and make the maximum amount of money? Well, the first thing that we need to do is to identify popular books that people are currently interested in, which we've already done using Google Bard. Once you have identified these books, we're gonna go ahead and head to Chatgpt, and I'm gonna go ahead and ask the chatbot to write a book summary for me for any one of these popular best-selling books on Audible. So what you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and just choose any books right here. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose The House in the Cerulean Sea by TJ Klune. Then just go ahead and type out this prompt. Write a concise 2,000 word book summary for The House of Cerulean Sun by TJ Klune with an introduction and a summary for each chapter. Just go ahead and click on send message and Chatgpt will go ahead and provide us with the summary of the whole book. So just to clarify, some of the books that you are going to choose from this board right here is not going to be recognized by Chatgpt because once again board is updated with Google, meanwhile Chatgpt is not. So if that happens, just go ahead and choose another books right here and you should be good to go. So just to be safe, you can also go ahead and paraphrase the entire thing right here. Just go ahead and copy starting from chapter 1 until to the conclusion, and you can go on over to a site like Killbot and you can just go ahead and copy it and paste it inside right here. Now just go ahead and paraphrase the entire story and it will go ahead and give you another paragraph which is unrecognizable by AI detectors. Well, to go ahead and promote our link, we are going to go ahead and head on over to this site called medium.com. After here, just go ahead and log in your account. If you don't have one, just go ahead and register one. So just go ahead and click on the right button right here, and what you want to go ahead and do is to go ahead and paste the entire book summary of our chosen book. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste everything inside right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a few adjustments. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and make this one as my title, as you could go ahead and see, and you can also go ahead and make this bold. Just go ahead and do the exact same thing for the rest of our story right here. And to make this really interesting, just go ahead and add images towards your summary right here. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and insert an image right here. So just go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard and just go ahead and click on this plus icon and go ahead and click on image. Just go ahead and click your preferred image and it will instantly be inserted inside your article right here. As you can go ahead and see, you can make your article very engaging if you go ahead and add images like this. And the way to go ahead and add your affiliate link inside this article right here is you want to go ahead and add call to buttons. So it goes something like this. Get your free The House of the Cerulean Sun Sea right here, and what you want to go ahead and do is highlight everything inside right here. Go ahead and click on this chain icon and just go ahead and leave your affiliate inside where people could now go ahead and see while browsing through your summary right here. So once people start reading your articles right here, they will go ahead and see this statement where it says get your free The House in the Cerulean Sun Sea right here, and once they go ahead and click on it, it will take them to the audible.com, which is your affiliate link. Your target is to go ahead and create as much as you can and just go ahead and post it inside medium.com. You can go ahead and create endless amount of articles, therefore you can go ahead and make this completely passive where people can just go ahead and read your articles. They will go ahead and click your link. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.